Welcome to Automod Racing. This is a 2004 Toyota Celica GTS. We just finished repairing some damaged areas on this vehicle.
This time, Richard. Went to the good time.
And now we're just prepping it for paint.
No smoking in.
So stay tuned.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Automod. Right here we're looking at the 2004 Toyota Celica GTS. What we did on this is we customized the combination of the paint for the silver and the black trims. You can see the black on the hood and black on the interior of the bottom bumper. We also installed this fog lights, halo fog lights, and halo headlights. The first idea of the customer was to do a combination of the color of the wheels that he chose, which is actually this. This is a purple wheel with a chrome lip. The size is 17 by 8. It's a 17 by 9, and with the purple interior of the wheel. So this purple color, we match this with the trims on the bumper. We also put the purple trim on the side skirt and a little bit of purple on the rear bumper with the fins. And we also put black on this interior of the lower bumper, black on this trim, and the spoiler that used to be a carbon fiber, which is like all messed up already, the gel coat, we put a shiny black paint on that. The roof was also painted black, and we put a medium tint on the front door and limo on the back 3 windows. We also installed this antenna, the rubber ducky antenna. So this is how it came out. At first the customer was concerned about the color combination of the silver, black, and purple, but I assured him that this would be like really nice the way it would come out, and I was right. The combination was not overdone. It was more like simulated, like kind of Fast and Furious look, but to the minimal effect. The wheels, which is 17 by 9, didn't really look bad. It's just perfectly flushed in there. We also did a camber on this, but we were worried about the 17 by 9 on this, that it would hit the fenders, but it didn't. Yeah, just look at the front. It's okay. It looks boxy, but our worries about the wheel or tire hitting the fender didn't happen. So this is probably a contribution to the Celica world about what kind of wheel you can put on a Celica, what size, and how it's gonna look like. This has an offset of 30 plus. It looks beautiful. I'm happy the way I did a combination on this, and I was glad that the customer, the owner, gave me the chance to decide on the combination of the colors. Purple was not overdone. It's just more simulated. So any one of you wanted to customize your car, give it like a little bit better look to it, just come to our shop, Automod. We're located at 444-250 Sierra Highway, Lancaster, California, 93534. And this is your host, Noel. Thank you for watching.